I would say that depending on the module and the chipset inside, we do support different security schemes. For example, some of our modules, they have, all of our modules, they have secure boot. Some of them, they have encrypted flash and other features. At the software side, we support TLS and other protocols that help into security communications. I need also to talk about certification because I talked only about the part of about certification. There is a new delegated act coming from European Union, from European Commission, that will be enforced from August 2025. So from August 2025 onwards, all the products sold within the European Union shall comply with this regulation. And we are preparing our products for these certifications, and before this deadline, we will have also certified our products against this new Red Delegated Act.
Şu anda güncelde LoRaWAN modülleriyle ilgili ürünler üretmeye çalışıyoruz. Bu konuda ilk adımları burada atmış olduk. Bu da gerçekten iyi bir fırsat oldu bizim için. LoRa'yı uzun mesafede iletişim olarak kullanacağım, iletişim aracı olarak kullanacağım.
Proje uygulamasında burada öğrendiklerimiz bayağı bir katkı sağlayacaktır.